What bugs me? Yellowjackets.
There is no stopping them, Ian. We'll soon be here.
How dare you, insect? How dare you interrupt my ascendance?
I'm gonna pull my hair out when I see the next fool commenting online just to pour gas in the yellowjacket nest hole. This is illegal. How do you think it is for the environment to just dump your gas on the ground? What happens when you pour any liquid on the ground or down a hole? It soaks in. Remember that little thing called rain? That soaks in, goes to the roots, and plants kind of like to drink water. It's unlikely you are going to get any gas on the nest, and you're not going to fill the hole up. It's going to soak all in. In fact, the nest isn't going to be directly in the hole opening, or it would rain on it, and if it didn't soak it, then it would flood them out. The reality is the nest is to the side down a little bitty passage. So when it does rain, the rain doesn't soak the nest. It just soaks into the ground and goes away. Why do you think the wasps build their nests under eaves? To protect them from the rain. Why do you think the holes on hornets' nests are always on the bottom? So rain and your stupid can of Raid isn't going to get close to the nest. I had one that was 10 foot away from the entrance hole. I had to dig it up. Your budget high-test petrol isn't getting to that. Oh, you think the fumes are going to kill them? Maybe some. The rest are going to hightail it out of there looking to attack you. And when it soaks in and the odor dissipates, they will be right back in there. I see this all the time. If I had $1 for all the yellowjacket nests I treated that reeked of gas, I could buy Elon Musk. It doesn't work. They will return, especially if it's like the one I had 10 foot away. They might even make a new front door in the process. Now, the good old boys are going to come after me, claiming they do it all the time. Okay, I'll give you that it is possible under perfect conditions or very early in the nest construction, or dumping a ridiculous amount of gas in the ground. Mr. Good Old Boy, can you tell me what the soil is like or what is under the ground around that nest? No, you can't. But you will try because Grandpappy taught you how to do it this way, and he was a saint. Well, maybe he was, maybe he wasn't. But he also told you Bigfoot was real and that smoking will put hair on your chest. Oh, and good old Grandpappy also put a match to it and blew up your yard. There are plenty of videos on the internet of people blowing their yards up. What happens if that nest is close to a gas line? Bye-bye, house. Best case scenario, you have 1,000 flaming yellowjackets flying around, starting little fires everywhere. Don't do it. Just don't do it. If you're a cheapskate DIYer, then there are other options. Nothing wrong with being a cheapskate DIYer. You just got to be smart about it. Use your head for half a second and think about what you're doing. Gas for yellowjackets is the same mentality people had about pest control years ago. Find the nastiest chemical and put that crap on everything. With zero entomological knowledge, this didn't play out well, and it's part of the reason people are so terrified when it comes to chemicals. Well, that and a bunch of political propaganda machine stuff. Anyway, many of these yellowjacket gas people are the same ones that freak out if you don't buy harm-free, organic, free-range tofurkey. There are more dangerous things under your sink than in my bug truck. I even read a comment on Facebook recently where the guy still recommended gas in the yellowjacket hole when the yellowjackets were in the wall of a house. The stupidity of society is mind-blowing. Now, I know I'm not going to convince anyone of anything here because stupid is as stupid does. Just remember I told you so when you kill all the plants, contaminate the soil, get fined by the EPA, make little Johnny sick, burn your house down right before you blow it up, and still have Yellowjackets. Lord have mercy, these fools gonna get my rheumatiz acting up again. I can't with these people.
Killing me, Smalls!
So, I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.